Hi guys, welcome to LaLaLuna. This is Anna. Let's draw something nice today for St. Patrick's Day. First, I'm sketching the head of St. Patrick. And now is the first heart, the second one, and the third one. I have the 3 heart leaf that make the clover leaf. Yes, just make 3 hearts together. That's easy, right? I love this leaf. It looks beautiful. So many people consider the clove leaf is the lucky leaf, and I believe it's so too. Oh, if you guys not yet subscribe our channel, don't forget to click the subscribe tab so you can stay with us and watch more video about drawing and coloring. Yeah, let's draw some more leaves on the right. And some fell out of the head. I draw the leaf first, and I will add the small branches later. Some people draw the leaf with 4 little hearts, but I draw it with 3 only. Today I want to send you the wishes for the St. Patrick's Day too. May your troubles be less, and your blessings be more, and nothing but happiness comes through the door. Yes, now is the time for little branches. Tiny little one. In the yard, in the front of my house, there are so many of the little clove leaf. I love it. Sometimes I draw it in a book and I put it in the little card. I make it myself. It looks so nice too. Almost done. You can draw some of the leaf on the back, just like this, to make it thicker. Yeah. Now I draw the head based on the sketch I've done before. I love the shape of this head. It looks so beautiful. Yeah, and let's write something nice here. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Oh, this should be a cake. Yeah, let's fix it. English is not my first language, that's why. And now, with a little water and using the colored pencil, that will give you a really nice texture of the color on the paper. I'm using the photocopy paper. It doesn't hold the water very well, but still, I love it. You can use the paper, especially for watercolor. It will be much better. I'm cheap. Yes, I'm a cheap person. So just keep doing that with a dark green one and a lighter one to finish the picture. And in this video, I want to talk a little more about St. Patrick's Day for those who don't know about it. So, St. Patrick's Day, or the Feast of St. Patrick, in Irish that means the Day of the Festival of Patrick, is a cultural and religious celebration held on the 17th March, the traditional death days of St. Patrick, for the foremost patron saint of Ireland. So St. Patrick's Day was made an official Christian feast day in the early 17th century and is observed by the Catholic Church, the Anglican Communion, especially the Church of Ireland, and the Eastern Orthodox Church and the Lutheran Church. The day commemorate, I'm not sure about spelling, St. Patrick's and the arrival of Christianity in Ireland, and celebrates the heritage and culture of the Irish in general. Celebrations in general involve public parades and festivals, sales, and the wearing of green attire or shamrocks. St. Patrick's Day is a public holiday in the Republic of Ireland, Northern Ireland, and Canadian province of Newfoundland and Labrador, and the British Overseas Territory of Montserrat is also widely celebrated in the United Kingdom, Canada, United States, Brazil, Argentina, Australia, and New Zealand. Yes, I almost finished coloring the hat. Now I add a little of the yellow here. To finish it, I make the letter a little bolder with another layer here. If you want, you can color the letter too, but I should make this simple this way. A little more work and it will be done. Yeah. Let's see the final product, the final work. Not bad, right? Okay, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please give me a like and share this video as a wish for St. Patrick's Day. Goodbye and see you again soon.